Check 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. 2 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vishruta and Aditya's wedding reception ceremony. तो यहाँ होने वाला है बहुत सारा मस्ती, धमाल, fun, entertainment and a lot more. Come on. Walk in with me to one of the best weddings happening in Mumbai today. So anchoring is all about salt in your food. ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए तो taste चले जाता है और कम रहे तो फीका सा लगता है. So people, let's go ahead and have some good time today. Done?
ये बात भी
With one of the best arrangements today. So after the event, it's gonna be very fun eating some good food tonight. All we need is some good drink tonight, people. आज नहीं कल नहीं हर रोज और बार will have some good events tonight, people. And after the good event, all you need is some good drinks tonight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to everybody present out here. This is your anchor host Harsh Malhotra. I hope you all are doing great and you had your time good while you were coming here. We're waiting for some time so that we can start today's ceremony. Thank you so much everyone for coming on time this evening to celebrate the engagement ceremony of Aditya and Vishruta. थोड़ी ही देर में हम आज का फंक्शन स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. Everyone's presence is embraced and celebrated. We're going to have a big schedule today where we're going to have ring ceremony, a lot of dance, fun, masti, entertainment. The floor is open for you all. Ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Enjoy your time this evening.
Welcome people, good evening. Once again, we are here today in Mumbai and we are here to celebrate Vishruta and Aditya's wedding engagement ceremony. So here is where we start the function. The function is all about dance, masti, performances, cake cutting. It's all about ring ceremony. It's all about a puja that is going to happen. And it's all about me and you having some good fun tonight. ये शाम मस्तारी मधोश किए जाए बट मधोश तो तब होगा जब बहुत सारा मस्ती होगा, डांस होगा, एंटरटेनमेंट होगा. सो लेट्स गो इन टुनाइट. So people, ये शाम मस्तानी तो तब होगी जब the bride will dance and the groom will enjoy this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a good time today where we're celebrating Aditya and Vishruta's engagement ceremony. People, walk in with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good evening. This is your anchor host, Harsh Malhotra. Thank you so much, everyone. I want you all to have some good time over here, talking to each other, celebrating this occasion and this function. In just some time, we'll be having Aditya and Vishruta walking in together. थोड़ी ही देर में entry होने वाली है. The entry will be continued by an auspicious puja over here, followed by which we'll be having the ring ceremony. We plan to have some good games where we have a lot of fun with the couple for the bride to be and the groom to be. I hope you all participate in this and let's make it most happening. Every function is incomplete without singing and dancing. So I want you all to show some nice interest this evening, participate and have some good time, people. We'll be having the food and drinks all over this place for you all arranged. Have some good time, people. This is your anchor host, Harsh Malhotra. Gentlemen, finally the wait is over. Wherever you are in this crowd, जहाँ कहीं भी आप हैं, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि आदित्य की साइड से कौन है? Great. And श्रुता के साइड से? Nice people, good energy this evening. अभी जैसे कि I was saying, हम एक छोटी सी पूजा करने वाले हैं, तो उसके लिए मैं बुलाना चाहता हूँ the son of Sanjay and Neera Shahi. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Aditya. Welcoming him with a lot of energy. Can we have a huge round of applause for Aditya and a huge voice out here, people? Thank you so much for that energy. We'll be continuing with the puja for the next 2 minutes with you all. The time is here of the evening where we'll be having the beautiful bride and the groom walking in together. थोड़ी ही देर में entry होने जा रही है. I request everybody to kindly be seated for the next 5 minutes, where we'll be witnessing the entry, followed by the ring ceremony and the cake cutting ceremony. Post which we'll be starting the fun-filled entertainment evening for you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I request everybody to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. We'll be having the votes. We'll be getting to know कौन किसके साइड से है. तो आदित्य के साइड से कौन है पीपल? और विश्रुता के साइड से थोड़ी एनर्जी ज्यादा लग रही है इस साइड में. Very nice people. So okay, fine. Let's take it this way. Let's do a energy check over here. Aditya's crowd, can we make some noise? Great. Now, nevertheless, not to tell them, they definitely will. Vishruta's people, make some noise! Great. और entry कैसी होनी चाहिए? धमाकेदार. This is the word I was looking out for. Entry कैसी होनी चाहिए, sir?
जबरदस्त.
Put your hands together for जबरदस्त संजय शाही जी. तो जैसे कि आप कह रहे हैं एंट्री धमाकेदार और जबरदस्त होनी चाहिए, बस एंट्री होने जा रही है पीपल. देवी और सचिन दिल थामे रखिए. In the next few seconds we'll be having Shruta and Aditya walking in together, people, for the very first time together, and here the ceremony begins. Few seconds we'll be having the couple in between all of us, and I'm waiting to see them from a very long time, and you too. Everybody's patience is enraged, people. Thank you so much for showing such good patience over here. Let's have a very small countdown of 3, 2, and 1. Let's make some noise for both of them walking in together, people. Put your hands together for Aditya and Vishruta. धीरे धीरे से तेरा हौले हौले से तेरा रफ्ता रफ्ता तेरा हुआ तेरे गम में बेनिशा. Show some energy. I want everybody's hands up in the air while we have the most beautiful girl with the group walking into the We were waiting for a very long time. आप दोनों को देखने के लिए नजर तो बस तरस ही गई थी. Thank you so much, coming in together. We'll be arranging the rings for you. Can I get the rings, please? We'll follow it with the ring ceremony. But just before that, लोगों के कुछ सवाल थे. So we'll ask you some questions. Vishruta and Aditya, लोग पूछेंगे. ठीक है. और राइट सो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होंगे, अगर आपको लगता है आदित्य जी एंड विश्रुता जी कि ये आप हैं, तो आप अपना हाथ ऊपर कर सकते हैं। आप अपना हाथ ऊपर कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको लगता है नहीं ये मैं नहीं हूँ, ये तो विश्रुता, तो आप इनकी तरफ अपना हाथ कर सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, एंड वी जस्ट वांटेड टू नो that but just before that, can I have you standing on that side and you coming here? Yeah, great, perfect. So yeah, in opposite directions, we'll be looking there, that side sir, and you'll be looking on that side. So if you think that it is you, ये मैं हूँ, तो मैं अपनी हाथ ऊपर करूँगा। अगर मुझे लगता है नहीं नहीं ये मैं नहीं हूँ, ये तो मेरा पार्टनर है, तो बस मैं उसके तरफ थोड़ा सा इशारा करूँगा, पॉइंट करूँगा। हम देखना चाहते हैं कि हम मैच स्कोर कितना है। राइट, सो आप दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा बातें कौन करता है? ऑलराइट, और सबसे ज्यादा दूसरे को समझता कौन है? उसकी हाँ में हाँ कौन मिलाता है? Alright, people ready with the questions, right? Okay, आप दोनों एक दूसरे से काफी समय से बात कर रहे हो, right? तो क्या लगता है सबसे ज्यादा प्यार कौन करता है? ये आपको हाथ ऊपर करना है या इनकी तरफ पॉइंट करना है श्वेता जी? Alright, और सबसे ज्यादा शॉपिंग में कौन इंटरेस्टेड होता है? तो इस गेम के लिए मैं आपको कभी थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीच होती होगी। सबसे ज्यादा आर्ग्यूमेंट कौन करता है? आपको ऐसा लगता है ना वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बोलते हैं? You haven't heard one? Oh right. People make some noise. Aditya's people. Great. कभी ऐसा हुआ सॉरी बोलने का टाइम आया? No, I'm sorry for that. Never. अच्छा, ये गेम बाद में खेलनी थी क्या? Alright, no problem. Nevertheless, can I get the rings please on the stage? Followed by a lot of fun, entertainment, dance and masti this evening. Thank you so much both of you. I would request all the near and the dear ones to gather around the side on the stage. Here, 3, 2, 1, and go.
I found a love for me, darling. Just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
All the test people, make some noise! Hands together!
Waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell.
Vishruta side, make some noise!
Not knowing what it was, I will not give
A lot of flowers and showers in there. We wish you a very happy engagement
Darling, just
ceremony.
kiss me slow. Your heart is so light. सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी।
It's very beautiful. Right, people, we'll play some nice music, DJ. Let's groove and move our bodies to the music and evening that we're spending it together.
जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा, यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा।
Come ahead. 5 from Vishruta's side and 5 from Aditya's side. So can I have all the teams? 5 people from Vishruta's side and 5 people from Aditya's side here. Cake together. Want you all to witness this moment. Everybody put your hands together for Aditya and Rishita.
बडोला पड़ के कन्ना दे विच पिपल पतियां भाई चूड़ा थमके
बंधन के मुटियारा आए पटोला बन के गन्ना दे विच पिपल पट्टियां बाही चूड़ा खन के मेरे सोने सोने मिलदे सी एवें नी तैनू बेवजह मिलदे तेरे
Now please come up on the stage. The near and the this side. Please come ahead. Come over with all the energies that you have. And still the round continues where I'll have four people from Aditya's side. Please come around the stage, please. 4 people from Aditya's side. And 4 from Vishuda's side. So here we have 2 couples ready. I have another one over here. Can I have one more couple, please? Come on, people. Fast run. It's just ये परंपरा हमें complete करनी होगी अगले 2 मिनट में मुहूर्त खत्म होने जा रहा है. Come on, people. Come up. Very fast. Okay. ओके तो एक छोटा सा 30 सेकंड का राउंड होगा बिफोर वी स्टार्ट. आपको इनकी तारीफ करनी होगी 30 सेकंड के अंदर. 3 सेकंड्स के अंदर. चलो 3 सेकंड्स के अंदर. ओके आपको सेम करना होगा. ये 3 राउंड कंटिन्यू होंगे. स्टार्ट.
तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो.
शी इज ब्यूटीफुल.
मेरी हर बात सुनते हैं.
तारीफ करनी थी बट वो भी एक तारीफ है. मेरी बात सुनते हैं तो अच्छे हैं. ओ हर बात. ओके
मैं हर बात सुनता हूँ.
मैं इनकी हर बात सुनता हूँ. People give them some time. Yeah. Okay. He's great. He's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Good one. Coming to the most awaited time of the evening, people. अच्छा नहीं आपको थोड़ा सा समय देंगे. And here we have you. छोटी सी तारीफ करनी होगी मैम की. एक शब्द में एक लाइन में आपको सिर्फ छोटी सी तारीफ करनी होगी मैम की.
तारीफ ही तारीफ है.
तारीफ ही तारीफ है आज की शाम. ऑलराइट.
He's very nice man.
It's very nice, man. Come on now. Now is the time you make some noise, people. So who'd like to go first? Ladies first.
Yes, what?
I can praise him in just one word or a line.
He listens to my rants.
Okay, that was the English version of मेरी सब बात सुनते हैं. But yeah, great. This looks like a proper family. Everybody has same answer. 100 सवाल जवाब एक. This is how families get together. And now is the time. Some people need motivation. Aditya is already motivated. Put your hands together for Aditya.
Okay, so
That was a good one.
wonderful person.
That happens
And
after some time.
we are doing.
We're just starting, actually.
We've just started and she's a wonderful person. So जैसे कि मैंने कहा था एक रिचुअल होता है, एक परंपरा होती है. तो उस परंपरा में हम आपको सिर्फ एक छोटा सा piece of this is a humble request from everybody over here. I want to see you just moving your body. Yeah, basically a dance. All right. Off in the hand. Can I please invite you on the stage? Please come over. Come. Can I have Nupur on the stage, please? And Tanu. देखो ये परंपरा हमें कंप्लीट करनी होगी इन द नेक्स्ट 20 seconds में. DJ, are we ready? now, whichever scarf. Okay, so तो जिसके स्कार्फ सबसे ज्यादा दिखेंगे उसमें उस टीम को हम सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट्स देंगे. People, let's call on the stage. 2 and 1. These memories will be captured forever and ever. We're gonna take it a long way.
उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरे कोई दीवानी.
With a lot of energy on Vishruta's side over there, moving and grooving their bodies. I guess they are the one who can get the point out here in this round, people. And I see a lot of energy on this side, people. Come on, 5 seconds more. And these are the 5 seconds that you have. You want to make your team win. Come on, Aditya's people. Can I see all that in the air in like 5 seconds only? And now I want you all to please throw it. 3, 2, 1, go.